To allow calls and messages from specific contacts when Do Not Disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen. And then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, and then tap Do Not Disturb. Under allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap calls and messages, tap add contacts icon, and then select the desired contact you like to allow to call you or send you messages while Do Not Disturb mode is on. Tap done button. Now when Do Not Disturb mode in your phone is on, those contacts you have selected before will be allowed to call you and send you message. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.